Hey Maya, I'm Chelsea King with Songheart here in Nashville, Tennessee, and your mom wanted to say this song is dedicated to Maya from her mom. I couldn't be more proud of the amazing, hardworking, and strong person that she is. I hope she always embraces the unique song within her. I love you, Songbird. We called you Crash when you were young. That carefree smile always lit up the room. Everyone was drawn to you. You stepped to the beat of your own song. Through the good and bad, you always had such strength inside of you. And I know that it wasn't always easy, but I'm so proud of just how far you've come. So soar high, dive boldly. If you're feeling lonely, follow that song, the beat that's in your heart. Oh, this is just the start of your life, and you'll always be our songbird, my might. You've seen darkness, you've seen rain, and overcome it anyways. I hope you know that you're never alone, and your life matters in this world. You'll always be my little girl. I'm looking forward to your next chapter. I'll always be by your side, through the darkness and through the light. So soar high, dive boldly. If you're feeling lonely, follow that song, the beat that's in your heart. This is just the start of your life. You'll always be our songbird, my mind. We've got so much to celebrate, this bright new chapter that awaits. I'll hold your hand through every page as you write your story, sing your song. If you're ever feeling lost, I promise I'll be here all